Hi, I'm Mr. Seamless. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make this sound. Quick backstory, a quick bit of lore. I made this effect one day, did a YouTube short on it, and a lot of you wanted me to do a full tutorial on it. Really, all you need is an audio sample. Let's use this ambient track I released a while ago, effector, and fruity envelope controller. On its own, this is what the original audio sounds like. How do we get that stutter effect we heard earlier? That's where effector comes into play, which can do a lot of interesting effects, provided that bypass is off. It can do reverb, it can be a bit crusher, it can be a distortion, and it can also be a stutter or grain. You want to click this for the effect. I have it set around here, and I set it to 1.8, which made it really fast. But I'm just putting my mouse over the bypass button and clicking it. There must be an easier way to do this. That's where the fruity envelope controller comes in. So I create something that looks something like this. So you have the starting point, the midpoint down here. I right click, sustain, loop end, and then jumps back up after the sustain is done. And I put all of that in one vertical line. Right click the bypass button, and then I link to controller, and I look for fruity envelope controller articulator. So this is fantastic. We now have MIDI controlled stutter. This is literally just a MIDI recording of me hammering the C key.
All the girls stomp your feet like this.
Now let's go over some of the additional effects I put on this, because it's more than just the effector. At the very top of the chain I have a Maximus, and I'm just using the gate, and that essentially gets rid of the super quiet stuff, which I need for this OTT, which y'all know what OTT is. My god, I want to brush my teeth with OTT. And then after the effector, I have a fruity wave shaper in this stair formation. So I just right click, stairs. So yeah, that is the full tutorial breakdown for this awful stutter effect. If you'd like me to do more tutorials in the future, leave a comment. Let me know what you want me to do in the future. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.